Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to do something that I've done in the past a few times on video. This time it's going to be a little different, kind of a twist on it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Stick around, you'll see what's coming up. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe. I'd love to have you guys join aboard. If you guys are already subscribers, thanks for coming back. I appreciate it. It's a rundown of what we got. We got ground beef, we got bacon, salt, pepper, then we got some shredded Havarti cheese. Then I got some sliced up marble cheddar. Then I got provolone slices. We got sun-dried tomatoes here. We got fresh basil chopped up. We got mushrooms, and we got green bell pepper. It's gonna be good. Not telling you guys what it is. You're gonna have to watch and see. As you can see, I've got 4 beef patties laid out there. Just gonna hit them with a little salt and pepper, each one, just to get some seasoning there. You guys can go ahead and use barbecue rub if you wanted to. Season them up with whatever you'd like to season them with. You can hit them up with SPG. You can just hit them with salt and pepper like I'm doing. You can even barbecue rub like I said, or you can just leave it plain if you want that beef flavor by itself. Let's press that in there. Press that in there. Press that in there. Now we're gonna do one with some provolone. Hit it on the bottom there with some provolone cheese. Then I'm going to throw some sun-dried tomatoes on this one, just like so. Don't be shy, add whatever you want, as much as you want. I'm going to hit it with some fresh basil. This is kind of a Mediterranean one that we're going for here. There we go. Add a little extra cheese. Right on top there. Right on top. Now, fold it up. Same thing on the other side. Fold it up. And now kind of wrap it around as best as you can. So you create almost a sandwich with the beef. Pick them up, do whatever you want to do just to get that all enclosed in there nicely. Take a piece of bacon and wrap it. And wrap it with the bacon. There we go. Not sure how many pieces of bacon you're going to need to wrap one. You make them whatever size you want to make them. You could just go ahead and make a whole big roll if you wanted to with everything. 2 pieces is probably going to be enough for this. We're going to go back on this one. Start that piece there. Wrap the first piece of bacon right over top again. And continue up rolling. There you go. Just like so. I didn't pull out a camera view for you guys. There we go. It's wrapped up. Ready to hit the grill. I might throw some barbecue rub on top of it after. We'll see. But that's how we're going to do. Next, I'm going to fill these ones with fillings. I'll do one with the marble cheddar, and I'll do the rest of my ingredients I got there. All right, our pit boss is up to 250 degrees. Just what I'm looking for. Let's get our lid open up here. Let's get these on. That's for one of my daughters. That one's for my son. This one's for my other daughter. And these are all just miscellaneous ones. We're going to put on here. I'm not sure what's inside of what anymore, except for one. Get those on there. Now this one here, I'm actually going to hit it with some barbecue rub. This one here, not sure what it tastes like. It's going to be my first time trying it. This was actually sent to me from one of my viewers. Thanks a lot, John. You know who you are. I appreciate it. Along with another rub and a couple sauces to try out, which I haven't tried just yet. But I will be trying this one here. It's Cookies Flavor Enhancer. We'll see what it's like. It tells me these are good and they're his go-to. So we're going to give it a shot. Put it on a little bacon. this side over here. There we are. Now we're going to try that out today for the first time. Once again, thanks, John. I appreciate it. Get that right there on the grill. That's it, 250 degrees. We're going to close up the lid, let these things do their thing. We'll pick back up in a bit and see what they're looking like. All right, half an hour into this. There's what we're looking at. So half an hour in, they look like they're doing pretty good. Bacon's rendering down pretty good. We might go ahead and turn up the heat in another 15 minutes or so. Start crisping that bacon up. If I didn't mention it earlier, I'm using competition blend for my pellets. You guys go ahead and use whatever flavor you want to use. We'll let this roll. If I'm going to crank up the heat a little bit sooner, I'll let you guys know. We've been another 15 minutes now for a total of 45 minutes here on this cook. Let's see what we're looking like. Yeah, we're looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and move these around a little bit just so I can make some room for the veggies I got over here. There. This one. We'll go there. That little guy. Put him right in that center. There we go. Now this is just some of the leftover peppers and mushrooms that I had. I mixed a little olive oil in there. Put that right back in the back corner there. Because that's where I know gets more heat than anywhere else. And I'm also gonna turn that up to 300. And there you go, 300. We're gonna let that go at 300 now and see if we can crisp up that bacon. Start getting that crispy and ready to go. All right, we've been another 20 minutes now. Let's take a look. As you guys can see, I moved the ones from here, put them in the back, right there. There we go. That's a nice look. Nice. Let's temp this big fat guy up. 53. Temp this little guy here. 80. 75. 65. These are all pretty much done. I'm going to let them go for another 5 to 10 more minutes just because I want to get that bacon more crispy on them. So I'll pick back up once I have these pulled off and they've rested for a minimum of 5 minutes. And we'll slice into them. Well, we've been resting 5, I think it's been 7 minutes actually, to be honest with you. Let's slice into it. The bacon on this one didn't get as crispy as I would have liked it to, but nonetheless, it's still good. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Nicely done. Cheese, everything in there is all good. Slice it again. It's all oozing out. It's always a good sign. You did something right when that happens. That there. That there. I don't have a fork here. Let me get down here, see if you guys can see me here. Hopefully you can. Cheese and bacon. This thing's got bacon inside, all the cheeses inside, mushrooms, peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, basil. Oh wow. That's just a flavor bomb, this thing. That rub, it's pretty good. I can taste that on the outside. A little bit salty, but it's all right. I don't mind. Next time I would just cut back on using the salt on the inside. Here's another one. Oh wow. Man, that's good. Excellent. I recommend trying that with all the ingredients that I used in this one. I was thinking of making a surf and turf one, stuffing some shrimp inside with some cheese and wrapping it up, but I didn't end up doing that today. Go ahead, you guys can try that out. That's probably going to be a good one too. But with the sun-dried tomato, basil, mushroom, green pepper, and 3 different kinds of cheeses, that bacon inside there, everything, perfect cook. You guys like this one? Hit the subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. We'll see you guys all on the next one. Bye.